What's up, boys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you can enjoy the last one. I've been trying to talk a little bit less for a reason. Just because I actually enjoy talking less. So it's actually easier to record these kind of videos. I hope you guys are doing good, man. I hope you guys are grinding towards something every single day. I think once things settle down with work, I'm gonna start. Once I start buying better like exotics, for example, right? I think what I want to start doing is making videos of like me taking apart engines, and I want to make kind of like a not vlog fully, but like vlog slash POV. This thing feels good, bro. I don't know. This car is fat, but it feels good. I'm gonna be honest. Like, if you're obviously this is not a mountain car, so there's like literally nothing to argue about. That's why I tell people like, oh, like this car is not good for mountains. Then get another car that's good for the mountains. You know what I mean? Like this car is perfect for what it's for. Holy. Oh my. Dude, this car, dude, I'm sorry. When this thing's fully strap pipe, it's so fun. The only thing I can see myself adding next is like maybe long tube headers, and then just tuning it. Honestly, tuning it to make it sound a certain way. Like for example, like running E85. I know that makes it sound like slightly different, you know? Yeah, third gear, something about third gear, it just pulls. It pulls different. It winds super nice in third gear. Third gear is like definitely like the sweet spot. Crazy. Like, I already know what I need to do if I really wanted to blow up. And that would honestly be strictly just like buying cars from Copart. Supercars, obviously, like something that's actually legit, and just doing rebuilds. And since I have CNC machines and welders, and I mean, I'm making everything that's like metal, that I can do easily. So I feel like it'd be worth me to get into that later on once I have more time, because like I make good enough money doing what I'm doing now, you know. It would literally just be for fun. It wouldn't be for money at all. So that's the only reason why I would like in the future to do it. But POVs are POVs. People watch it just for the POV, not. Phone's at 1% right now, so if it dies, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's another POV like it's been the past like literally a couple years. I think if I really wanted to do something like content wise, it would literally just be that. But I don't know, man. When I bought these cars, I mean, there's obviously some form of guilt, you know. These cars are depreciating like every month I have it. I might as well do something, you know. That's like my motive. And luckily I have a legit operating business, so I can actually use like any future vehicles. Like I'm planning to do a lot with it, so it would make sense for me to like actually start posting like me doing fabrication and me upgrading my pistons and rods, making my own pistons and rods, stuff like that. I hope you boys enjoy the video. If you guys want to see more, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.